In previous videos, we've been walking through setting up an organization in BeSync'd. And now that we have the basics in place, it's time to invite our team members.
We can see that this is one of the last items on our to-do list within the Quick Start menu. Organization owners can also access the Teams page from the sidebar Settings page links. Here we are on the team page, and we can see the single team member that we logged in with, who is the org owner. And it looks like we still need to set a role and department for them. Now, since we are logged in as an owner, we can invite other people within our organization. Inviting users is as simple as entering their name, email, choosing an app role, member role, and department.
The app role acts as the system permission layer.
The owner role provides complete admin access and is able to manage all features and invite new users. The team role and department fields are mandatory, as they dictate the level of cross-team visibility and permissions that users have according to the role visibility settings that we set up in a previous video.
Now it's important to note the email address that you assign to users in BeSync'd becomes the main source of truth, which is used to link the same users between different integrations. So if you plan to connect Slack or other integrations, the user emails from those other accounts must match the email address given to users in BeSync'd for accurate work update attribution.
Okay, so we have our user invitation sent, and we can see that the invitation status is pending from the Invite tab. To the far right, we can see some options to cancel the invitation or to show the invitation link. This can be used if we need to send the invitation to the user in a different way other than how it was automatically sent through email.
Great, that's all that we need to do to invite our first team member to BeSync'd. Once they accept their invitation, they'll be able to start adding work updates and have access to all of the cross-team communication and insight features that we have enabled for their role. In the next video, we'll take a look at what an invited user sees in BeSync'd according to the visibility permissions that they're assigned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.